Hey guys, I'm McPaverick. I'm from Germany. Yes, gardening has been my hobby for almost 30 years, and on this YouTube channel I want to share my experience with you. In this video I'm showing you what you can do with a leaf in your garden. You can do really great things with it. The first thing what you can do with all the leaves is to protect your plants, like roses or hydrangeas. This is really a great tip. The greatest and the best tip I will show you at the end of the video. The next idea is to mulch your beds or your plants with the leaf, because in winter your soil won't dry so fast and the leaf will recompose in winter, and so in spring you have the first fertilizer for your plants. Yes, and this here is my favorite idea what you can do with leaves. Make a pile of leaves, make it a little bit wet so it won't fly away. And if you have luck, maybe a hedgehog family will come to your garden and will use this for winter quarter. And that's really a great thing. And I hope you liked this video. Watch my next video. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.